wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Khalifa Kairuadinia. Today I will explain about my mini research. The title is The Innovation of Planting Ornamental Plants Using Hydrogel Media. Coronavirus or we know COVID-19 is a type of infection disease caused by a newly discovered type of coronavirus, which has entered Indonesia since March 2020 year. It turned out that this virus does not only attack humans but also attack the Indonesian economy, so that it makes the Indonesia economy worse off, because the COVID-19 pandemic has caused the unemployment rate in Indonesia to increase due to the many layoffs during this pandemic. The main cause of the increase in unemployment during this pandemic are the number of layoffs, the existence of government regulation regarding lockdown, PSBB, and social distancing. When the COVID-19 pandemic hit the world in early 2020 year until now, Indonesia was no exception. Everyone in the world must wear a mask, maintain health protocol and social distancing. Everything is done from home. For example, WFH or maybe work from home and study at home. Nevertheless, society is still required to be creative and productive amid the exciting limitation by looking for new innovation during the hashtag Di Rumah Saja movement. One of them is the trend of ornamental plant, which has fantastic selling value amid this pandemic. Flower garden collectors have been flooded with orders from various regions. Collecting plants has become an increasingly pervasive hobby in recent times. People from various backgrounds, for example, and especially mothers, who are the most active in exploring this new hobby. Quoting from the new page cnbcindonesia.com said some plants have become excellent throughout 2020 year. For example, the perforate widow plant, which is widely discussed. Entering 2021, the flower card theme is analyzes ornamental plant whose popularity will skyrocket this year. Here I will provide an innovation the plant ornamental plant, but different from the usual. If the plant is planted in the ground or in a pot containing soil, so this innovation, this time the media is hydrogel. So what are the steps for try it? Watch the following video until the end. Why did I choose this topic in my mini research? Because the application method is easy, does not require many tools, the price of various material is cheap and does not take a long time. In my opinion, planting media using hydrogel is interesting because it has a round and colorful shape. In my experience as a child, I like to play with this. In fact, the dominant function is as a toy for children, but who would have many various sources and platform digital alluded to hydrogel as an alternative planting media that is efficient and economical. Hydrogel is preferably used as a medium for indoor ornamental plants. This is due to the nature of the hydrogel, which contains high water content. If it is placed outside the room and is directly exposed to sunlight, it's likely that the hydrogel will not last long. For those of you who like indoor plants and don't have much time, or maybe you're busy, hydrogel is able to be one of second with the function to replace soil media without repeat watering. Knowing hydrogel growing media, hydrogel comes from the word hydro, which means water. This means that it is a gel that can absorb and retain water hundreds of times its weight. Hydrogel functions to absorb water and nutrition for plants and release it slowly according to the plant needs. The use of hydrogel in planting media is an alternative to reduce watering intensity. There are many benefits of using hydrogel, including: first, reducing the frequency of water or irrigation by up to 50%. Second, increase plant growth because water and nutrition are always available around the plant, thus optimizing absorption by the root. Third, reducing environmental pollution from erosion and contamination of groundwater. And the last, efficient and more economical. Plants to be planted in a hydrogel must have the following characteristics, including: 1. Resist puddle or excess moisture. 2. High moisture resistant. 3. More suitable for indoor plants or which can live in indirect sunlight. 4. Not woody. 5. Not flowering. And the example of plant that can currently be grown in hydrogel, for example, Aglaonema, Anthurium, Divenbasia, Granaceina or Chinese bamboo, Japanese bamboo, Scydapsus or Dutch beetle, Syngonium or umbrella grass, cordyline, and philodendron or split leaf. Prepare a large container with water. Prepare spoon, 2 plastic cup and 2 bottles. Pour fertilizer A into a plastic glass first, and pour fertilizer B into a plastic glass too. Put must have the same measure. Next, you have entered fertilizer A first into a large container filled with water and stir using a spoon. If this is well mixed in a large container, next you enter fertilizer B into a large container and mix. Okay, and next enter the hydrogel into a large container with water and fertilizer A and B. Okay, there step by step how to apply hydrogel, and this is the hydrogel. 2 cup glass spoon and 2 bottles with fertilizer. We wait the hydrogel to expand well, 6 to 12 hours for the hydrogel to expand well. After 6 and 12 hours, this is the hydrogel from small to big, and this is all ready to make media plant. Next, prepare the flour. Wash the root thoroughly. Don't let the root still have soil. When it is clean, prepare the hydrogel next. Okay, clear with flour, and next, after the flour, we move the hydrogel. Kita buang sedikit airnya, menyisakan sedikit saja karena kita tidak memakainya lagi. And the last step, you prepare a spoon, first flour and hydrogel. Then take the hydrogel from the container and then put it in the vase. Fill the vase half full, not full, because dia akan ditaruh bunga, jadi hanya setengahnya saja. And then put the flour into the vase. The position flour is upright, then fill the vase to the brim. And finally, the flower vase with hydrogel media is ready to be used as decoration in the house. If The hydrogel string, you don't need to soak it, but just spray it with water that is put in a spray bottle.